In today's video, I'll be showcasing bedsitters ranging from 5,500 to 7,000 Kenyan shillings.
Even feel the pain, anything to step away. I know we could both do better.
These bedsitters are located along Thika Road.
Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror?
And as you watch the video, make sure to hit that subscription button.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Yvonne Angeline.
Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our...
This is how the outside of the first house we'll be looking at looks like.
A reflection if you never look in the mirror. Counting the days until you're gone.
This bedsitter is going for 6,000 Kenyan shillings per month.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream. So why
Water is 150 shillings per unit.
always sleeping?
So here is your kitchen area
I remember when
with a kitchen counter and kitchen cabinets on top.
Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break my signs every time. Let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now. I do what me now. I do what I want.
There's already a mirror inside this house, so you don't have to put a mirror when coming in.
Are you ready now?
Or you can just put your additional of your design. So let's have a look at this washroom.
I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now. I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be
So this is the space of the house, and this bedsitter
easy.
has a balcony.
Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break my signs
This is your balcony.
every time. Let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel.
So we are done with the first bedsitter that is going for 6,000 Kenyan shillings.
Ooh, I do what I want.
Next, we are going to look at the second bedsitter. So now let's have a look at the second bedsitter that is going for 7,000 Kenyan shillings. So this bedsitter is found in a building with a very good security. And this is the balcony. So the one that is going for 7,000 Kenyan shillings has a balcony, and the other one on the same building has no balcony, and it's going for 6,500 Kenyan shillings. This is the washroom of this house. And I love the fact that they decided to use white on the cabinets. To know the exact location of this bedsitter, make sure to watch till the end of the video.
Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. Yeah.
So on the same building, we are looking at this third bedsitter that is going for 6,500 shillings.
Dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive.
Difference being that this one does not have a balcony, and the first one on the same building has a balcony. Choice of color is still white.
Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go. Lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Freak my signs. Every time.
Your washroom looks like this. Is the space of your bedsitter.
Easy, only get what you work for. Easy, only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time.
And here is how your staircase looks like. So we are done with the third bedsitter. And on to the fourth bedsitter that is going for 5,500 Kenyan shillings. This one is also going for 5,500 Kenyan shillings. And the amount that I'm mentioning is the rent per month. So the location of these houses is in Thika along Thika Road. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit the subscription button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
Yeah, oh yeah.